Hello everyone, this is Everything is Here channel. Today I am going to tell you how to calculate the square root of any number. To understand the square root of any number, first we have to understand this table. It is quite easy because we know the basics of some squares. We know the square of 1, that is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81 and 10 square 100. Now we have to follow some steps to do the conversion. Step 1. First see the unit digit number. For every unit digit number, there are two possibilities except 0 and 5 at unit digit number. Now step 2. Then cancel 2 digits from the right, that is unit and 10th digit number. Step 3. Then see the remaining number, we will call that as A, and choose the remaining number B, we will call as B, whose whole square is less than any remaining number, that is A. Step 4. After choosing that number, that is B, we have to add one more to B and then multiply with B, and we get another number, that is C. Step 5. After multiplication, if C is less than or equals to the A, then we have to take the greater of the two numbers, and if C is greater than A, we have to take the smallest one. Now let's see some example. Here we have to find the square root of 361. So we have written 361 is equals to x square. Now we have to find the value of x here. Now follow those steps which we have learned. Step 1. First see the unit digit number. Here the unit digit number is 1. And from the table we know that the square of a number that has 1 as unit digit are 1 and 9. That is 1 square is equals to 1 and 9 square is equals to 81. Both has unit digit 1. Step 2. Cancel the last two digit number. Step 3. Now only 3 is remaining, which we have called as A. Now we have to choose a number whose square is less than or equals to 3. If we take 2, then its square is 4, which is greater than 3, but we have to take the lesser one, so we will take 1. With 1 there are two possibilities, either it is 11 or either it is 19. Now step 4. Now we have to add one more to 1 and multiply with 1. So 1 into 2 we will get 2. Now this 3 is greater than this 2, so we will take the greater one, that is 19. So the square root of 361 is 19. Now let's see another example. Here we have to find the square root of 1296. And now we will again follow the previous steps. Step 1. First see the unit digit number. Here the unit digit number is 6. And from the table we know that the square of a number that has 6 as unit digit are 4 and 6. That is 4 square 16 and 6 square 36. Both has unit digit as 6. Now step 2. Cancel the last two digit number. Step 3. Now only 12 is remaining, which we have called as A. Now we have to choose a number whose square is less than or equals to 12. If we will take the square of 3, then it is 9, and if we will take the square of 4, it is 16, which is greater than 12. So we will take the square of 3. Now with 3 there are two possibilities, either it is 34 or it is 36. Step 4. Now we add one more to this 3, we will get 4 and and multiply with 3. So 3 into 4 we will get 12. Now this 12 and this 12 are equal, so we will take the greater one of this 34 and 36. So the value of x here is 36. Now let's see one more example. We will again follow all the steps which we have learned. Step 1. First is the unit digit number. Here the unit digit number is 6. And from the table we know that the square of a number that has 6 as unit digit are 6, 4 and 6. That is 4 square 16 and 6 square 36. Both has unit digit as 6. Now step 2. Cancel the last two digit number. Here the last two digit number are 36. Step 3. Now 11, 12 is the remaining number which we have called as A. Now we have to choose a number whose square is less than or equals to 112. If we take a 11 and 10, then the square of 11 is 121 and that of 100 is and 10 is 100. As 121 is greater than 112, so we'll take the square of 10. Now with 10 there are two possibilities. Either it is 104 or either it is 106. Now step 4. Now we have to add one more to this 10. We will get 11 and multiply with 10. So total is 110. This 112 is greater than 110, so we'll take the greater one. So the value of x here is 106. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And if you want video on different topics, leave the topic in the comment box. Thank you.